Hi, and welcome to Simple Books with Sheridan. In this video, I'll explain what records small businesses in Australia are required to keep, what the ATO expects, and how good record keeping can make tax and BAS much easier and far less stressful. Before we begin, please note that this video is for general information only. It doesn't take into account your personal or business circumstances and shouldn't be relied on as tax, financial, or accounting advice. If you're unsure how bookkeeping applies to your situation, it's always best to speak with a qualified professional. Record keeping is one of the most important responsibilities of running a business, but it's also one of the most commonly misunderstood. From the ATO's perspective, records are what support the income you report and the deductions you claim. If you can't support your figures with records, the ATO may disallow deductions or adjust your reported income. Good record keeping also gives you confidence in your numbers. When your records are up to date, you're not guessing how much money you've made, how much tax you might owe, or whether you can afford an expense. It also makes working with a bookkeeper or accountant much easier. Instead of scrambling at tax time, everything is already organised, which can save you time, money, and stress. Small businesses must keep records of all income and sales. This includes tax invoices you issue, sales receipts, point of sale or cash register reports, online sales summaries, and bank deposits relating to business income. It's important to remember that income isn't just cash. Sales can come through card payments, online platforms, bank transfers, and third-party providers. Even small sales add up over time, so every transaction should be recorded. Accurate sales records ensure the income reported to the ATO matches what actually came into your business. So, what counts as income? Income includes more than just completed jobs. Deposits, part payments, and advance payments may also need to be recorded, even if the work isn't finished yet. Some businesses accidentally underreport income because they only think of income as the money they've already earned in their mind. Understanding what counts as income helps prevent issues later, especially if the ATO reviews your business activity. You also need to keep records of all business expenses. This includes supplier invoices, receipts, bills, and statements for purchases related to your business, such as rent, utilities, subscriptions, and supplies. Keeping good expense records helps to ensure you don't miss out on a deduction you are legally entitled to claim. For GST purposes, most claims require a valid tax invoice, so it's important to check invoices carefully and keep them organised. So, is this expense a business expense or a personal expense? This is especially important for sole traders. Personal expenses are not deductible even if they're paid from a business account. If an expense is partly business and partly personal, only the business portion can be claimed. Using a separate business bank account makes this much easier and reduces mistakes, which are very common when finances are mixed. If your business is registered for GST, there are additional records you must keep. These include tax invoices you issue, tax invoices you receive, adjustment notes, and any working papers you use to prepare your BAS. GST errors are one of the most common issues small businesses face. Missing tax invoices or incorrect GST treatment can lead to BAS errors and cash flow problems. Keeping GST records organised throughout the quarter makes BAS lodgement far smoother. Bank and financial records are essential, even if you don't use accounting software. You should keep your bank statements, credit card statements, loan statements, and merchant fee reports. Bank statements act as a safety net. They help confirm that nothing has been missed, duplicated, or incorrectly recorded. Regular reconciliations help catch these errors early before they become bigger issues. If you have employees, you must keep payroll and superannuation records. This includes pay slips, payroll summaries, super payment records, and single touch payroll submissions. These records are mandatory, even if you only have one employee. Superannuation records are especially important, as late or missing payments can result in penalties and employee complaints. Businesses must also keep records of assets and equipment. This includes purchase invoices, sales or disposal records, and depreciation schedules. Assets are items that provide value over time, such as vehicles, computers, machinery, and equipment. Because assets are often claimed over several years, these records may need to be kept longer than 5 years. So, how long do you need to keep your records? Most business records must be kept for at least 5 years. The 5-year period usually starts from when the records are prepared or when the transactions are completed. This rule applies even if your business closes. Records must be legible, secure, and easily accessible if the ATO requests them. So, do you need to keep paper records or can you store them digitally? The ATO allows businesses to keep records digitally or on paper. Many businesses now use accounting software or cloud storage, which makes records easier to organize and back up. If you scan paper receipts, you can usually discard the originals as long as the digital copies are clear and complete. Some of the most common record keeping mistakes include losing receipts, not keeping tax invoices, and leaving your bookkeeping until BAS or tax time. Another common issue is mixing your personal and business money. These mistakes are very common, especially for new businesses. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Simple habits can make a big difference. Setting aside regular time for bookkeeping, even once a week, helps prevent things from piling up. Using separate bank accounts, simple systems, and consistent storage makes record keeping far more manageable. To recap, small businesses need to keep records of income, expenses, GST, bank activity, payroll, and assets. Most records must be kept for at least 5 years, and good record keeping supports accurate BAS and tax reporting. Clear records give you confidence, clarity, and control over your business finances. Thanks for watching Simple Books with Sheridan. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple explanations of bookkeeping and tax in Australia. If you need advice specific to your business or circumstances, it's always best to speak with a qualified tax or bookkeeping professional. I'll see you in the next video.